So guys, on this video I'm going to show you how you can easily activate Nano Banana directly on your WhatsApp. Just for context, Nano Banana is one of Google's latest AI model, and what does it do? It's very simple. It helps you generate images. It helps you combine different images to create a hyper realistic a picture or image output, right? And just a few days ago, Nano Banana was added to WhatsApp, and for you to be able to activate it on your WhatsApp is very simple. But before I continue, I would like to advise that you subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure that you turn on the notification bell so that whenever I make a post, you'll be one of the first set of people that would get notified and see my update. So let's go straight to the point. I'll be sharing my screen here so you can follow along with me. It's a simple stuff. It's something you can actually do. It's something a baby can do as well. So it's not rocket science. The only advice I'll give you right now is to make sure that you stick to the end of this video so you don't miss a single thing. So I believe my screen recording is on the screen. You can see my screenshot. So just follow along and let's get started. The first thing you do is you first copy the number. There's a number, you have to save the number for you to be able to access Nano Banana on your WhatsApp. So go straight and copy the number that's showing on your screen. All right, hold on. So when you copy the number, like you can see, is an international number. Starts from +1 833 436 3285. So this is the number that you're going to save on your phone, right? And you just copy it, and the next thing you will do is you save the number. Make sure that the number is saved on your phone. So you paste, just like the way you're seeing on the screen, you paste it on your phone app. When you paste it there, you save it as a contact. You can save it with Nano Banana, you can save it with whatever name, you can save it with AI or whatever name that you wish to use, but make sure that you can remember the name, right? So for me, I'm just going to save it with Nano Banana. Right? So you can also save it to your email address so that even if anything happens to your smartphone, you can easily access it anywhere. You can easily back up and restore your contacts through your email, and you can be able to still have the contact saved in your device, right? So when you're done saving it, the next thing you do is you go to your WhatsApp, then go to contact lists. When you go to WhatsApp, you go to contact lists, then you can either search for the name you already saved, or you can just scroll up to where you saved the number. Remember, you must make sure that you save the number as a contact. If not, it will not work, right? It has to be a contact on your contact list. So let me get it where it is. I saved mine with Nano Banana, so you can search yours so that you can easily bring it up. Okay, I have a lot of contacts here, so let me just search. Yeah, I've seen it. So I just click on it. So when you click on it, it opens as a contact, just like when you save a new number on your phone and try to send a message on WhatsApp. That's how you access it. So when you open the chat, you could just to try it out to see how it works, you could just do a simple hi, I'm Stanley. Hi, I'm Stanley. So I just sent hi, I'm Stanley. So let me see the feedback to give me. As you can see, is typing, so you can reply me and So see the response. It says, "Hey Stanley, yeah, Nano Banana is Google's powerful AI image editor inside Gemini, right?" So Nano Banana, like I told you earlier, is an AI model. It's one of the Google's latest AI model that is built inside of Google's Gemini, right? So, and it lets you create or edit photos by blending, style transforming or turning text into vivid images. So this is some of the features that you get through Nano Banana, and all super easy and free with Google account. So you just need to have a Google account to be able to access it. Remember, is built inside Gemini, which is Google's AI tool, right? So you need to have a Google account so you can be able to personalize both your messaging and all of that. So you need to have an account. So if you don't have any Google account or any Gmail account, I would advise that you do that before starting this process, right? So and it's asking me, want me to help you try it out or explain any feature. Okay, I'm just going to ask a few more questions. So how do I generate an image here? So let me see the response is going to give to me. Just a sec. Say just type what you want to see, like a sunset on a beach, and I will create the image for you. So let me just say, okay, generate an image of a sunset on a beach. So let's see the kind of image is going to generate. All right, ready to capture the beautiful sunset on the beach. Let's bring it to life. So you just give me some time and voila, here it is. So as you can see, it has generated the image for us. So you don't need to keep opening your browser or doing the other method, right? You can easily generate images directly on your WhatsApp easily, and as you can see, it wasn't hard. You get, so it's something you can do. You just have to make sure that the number is saved on your device, and when you save the number, you open the chats like the way you open your other chats, like people's chat on your WhatsApp. Then when you do that, you just send your prompt. You can reply to text, you can generate images. Okay, let's do one more prompt before we go. So can you refine this? Can you refine this or repurpose this image? So let's see what it's going to tell us right now. Says ready to refine or repurpose your image. Just upload or tell me what you would like to change. Let's make it awesome, right? So okay, it already generated an image for me. Let me see the difference between this format. Okay, let me just tell it. Okay, could you remove the text on the image, please? Let's see if it's going to change the text on the image. Say great, I'm ready to remove the text from your image. Just give me a sec. So let's see the magic. Let's see the magic. Awesome. So you can see the text is no longer there. So this is super easy. Just make sure that you have the number saved on your phone, and voila, that's all you need. Then you send your prompt and wait for the feedback. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be posting more of this on my channel. Make sure you share this video to someone who needs to see it, and most importantly, turn on the notification button so that whenever I make a post like this, you'll be one of the first people that will see the video. Thank you. Peace and love.